Good morning, World Wide Web. This is James, your favorite ticker picker, with another update video. This one's going to be on UPS, United Parcel Service, your favorite brown truck delivery guy. Stock's moving. It's up to 183.77 a share, up 3% on, I guess that was Monday morning. 6% for the week. Took a nice little upturn. It is still down for the year. Not this year, but for the entire 12 months, down 0.47. Year to date, up 5%. So you got UPS making a little comeback. This is one of the highest trending stocks under discussion on Twitter. Thought we would take a look at it. CEO warns of a slowdown on April 25th. Maybe they didn't have one. Pfizer and McDonald's fails in pre-market international paper. UPS jump. Why it went higher today. Let's see what the Motley Fool has to say. And both logistics giant and powerful union seem to be making progress on a new employee contract. The current contract expires July 31st. So maybe they're reaching an end to their employee dispute. Maybe that was part of it. On the labor front, that's kind of a little bit boring, but you get the idea. Let's take a look at their earnings and see how business is doing. Business is doing pretty good. Their revenue, $22.9 billion. Wow. Profit, $2 billion. The quarter before, $3.45 billion. Huge one. $2.5 billion, $2.85 billion, $2.66 billion. Woo, goodness. Their numbers went up for the year and kind of had a dipped quarter. March of last year wasn't off, so I don't know how seasonal this is. Maybe he correctly predicted annually, things off to the races. Went up for COVID, kept going up afterwards. I see this a very much growing company still. Crazy, as old as they are, growing like that. Huh. Let's see what the high points of the stock price were. Wow, we're there now. I guess the world record was probably 190 something. Yeah, about 190. We're about to the UPS world record. But we're also to UPS's, I guess that's their highest revenue ever. And look at the way it's growing. I wonder where this is coming from. Maybe Amazon or a boom in ordering stuff online, perhaps. Maybe that market share is just growing year after year after year, and UPS is noticing. Let's just check their balance sheet real quick. Make sure they're upside down, right side up. What they are, they're right side up. They have a $51 billion in liabilities, $71 billion in assets. They're definitely right side up by about $20 billion, and they have $7.6 billion in cash. Not too shabby. Is it a growing company like this? And what's the earnings per share? $12.94. Wow. That is strong. To get that kind of a earnings per share with a stock price of 183, that's a little insulting. What's the PE on this thing? 14.85. I don't know. If they're going to keep growing like this, I would see something better than that. I mean, we're looking from 71 billion a year to 100 billion a year in 5 years. I guess, what's that, up 30% or something? I guess it looks better on the chart than it does in reality. But wow, this thing's turned into a monster. It's nice to see them growing again. I'm guessing the earnings per share is going to be growing up too. See if we got a dividend on this thing. We have a 3.53% dividend at this price. I like it. I don't know. The worse the post office does every day, the better UPS does, I suppose. And I've noticed their pricing is coming a lot more affordable on the UPS ground services. It's the only way to ship heavy stuff. The post office will flat rob you now, and so will FedEx. If you have something heavy you need to ship, UPS is your people. For $20, they'll bring a big heavy box somewhere for you. And if you want USPS to do it, you're looking at, $50, $60, $80 for the postage. It's ridiculous. For some reason, their ground service really works. In my personal experience, please leave your comments on this company down below. And UPS, everybody, thumbs up. What an earnings per share. These people have a lot to offer the stockholder, and I got a feeling their growth is going to continue. And if it does, you might see at least an improvement from the 1 year. It should be a lot more up than this. Yeah, this thing was up to 209 at one point this year. Probably going back there. You can catch it on one of these dips, on one of these bad Dow days. It might be a good time to grab a few shares of UPS, everybody. Have a wonderful afternoon. Good luck in the market tomorrow. Happy 4th of July. Please like the channel or subscribe to the channel for more updates on UPS and breaking news, and like the video. Have a wonderful day.